Hey, Rainbow here, and there is the Multistrada V4 Pikes Peak 2023 edition. And finally, I decided on a tail bag. I've been wanting a tail bag for a really long time. I didn't want something that was too big and bulky. I wanted something that just fit nice and was convenient for like putting GoPro and Insta360 stuff in here and everything like that. And I decided on this one here by Givi, or Givi, however you want to say it. If it's Italian, it's Givi, okay? Anyway, really cool. It gives you a couple of options, like multiple options to attach it to the bike. I did a crisscross here with the seat, but in order to do that, I had to swap ends on two of them. Pretty nice. This is 8 liters. That's all I wanted. That's all I needed. As you can see, it holds plenty. Now, when you say 8 liters, that doesn't look like 8 liters. Well, that's because the zipper right here, this is expandable. So this expands for yourself and this goes up. And not only is that expandable, but the waterproof bag that you put in it and holds in place nice has a zipper that makes this thing expandable too. So you can keep it at the normal, once you put it in here the right way, you can keep it at the normal size. And then when you need to expand what's in there, it'll also expand in the bag and expand here, which is what I really like. This one is the Givi UT813. I purchased it with my own money. No one's sponsoring, no one sent me this thing. Really cool because it has a lot of protection here on the top from rain. But you know, obviously this part here isn't going to be waterproof like the bag is going to be, you know, pretty much rainproof. Very easy to put on. It's nice that I can put some of the things in dry weather. I don't have to worry about it. I can put things up in here. Lots of storage options. And I really think that once you put it in and you have everything locked in place. And a little thing about the bag, once it's in there, in 4 corners, it actually has Velcro that holds it down. And then these little tabs right here with the little push through button, right? Go right in 4 places. So it holds it in place. And in true, you know, bag fashion here, it's Velcro. And then you can just use this to put it down and then snap these together, just like any dry bag that you would have. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I think it looks actually awesome. So it's good if you don't have a passenger regularly. I don't like with my panniers on the side. I just feel awkward with them. I only use them when I go on long trips. But for everyday running around, when you just need a place to put your stuff and just carry things around, very convenient. Right here by Givi. I think it's great. Again, I bought this with my own money. It was somewhere around $150, I think, somewhere in that range delivered. Could have been more. No peeking at those slicks over there. I did a video about that, but that's for this bike. You guys don't care about that. You guys are Multistrada guys. Anyway, that's it. So this thing I think is going to work really well, and I can't wait to try it out. I will be doing a full review once I've had it in some weather and I see what I can put in it. But this is gonna be super convenient. I'm not a big fan of a tank bag. I just think it looks big, bulky, it's in the way, although they are, in my opinion, super convenient. It's just like guys talk about having that back tail case. I'm not a fan of the tail case. I don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way the bike feels when it's on, but it is the most practical thing that you could put on the bike, honestly, is this hard case that mounts on the back here. I just don't like the way it looks. I think this makes it sleek. It keeps the bike looking sporty, and it gives me just enough room that I need for carrying things around. And I really couldn't wait to do this. Honestly, I wanted to get one on the V4S when I had it. So I've been thinking about putting a bag here for over a year. That's how pathetic I can be about stuff. So when it's all zippered down and installed, it fits really nice, very low profile. They have this edging here, which is all reflective. And then once you take it off, you just unsnap these, right? Take it off, and once you take it off, there's a handle for it. And if that's not good enough for you, and I don't know why they even gave you this, it actually comes with a shoulder strap too. All right. And if you don't like attaching it to your seat, like I said, there's multiple options. They have longer straps that you can take down to the frame. And that's it. All right. Givi. There it is. UT813. I think it's an awesome, well, let's see. Anyway, this is Rebo. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you very much. And have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.